Windows 10 search bar not working. Windows 10 search bar doesn't working. Windows 10 search bar not responding. In this video I'm going to share how to solve this problem. I'm going to show how to solve this problem. Let's solve this. Let's fix this together.
Subscribe to my channel and also press this bell icon.
Hey guys, welcome to TechWine. I'm Malik. In this channel I'm helping people to make some extra money, increase their passive income, and also computer-based tech solutions. By joining with me you can learn tech solutions, new softwares and virus guards, e-money, digital marketing, affiliate marketing, personal finance, and how to invest and where to invest. If this is the first time you're in my video, make sure to subscribe and click the bell icon. Guys, when you face this problem, you start to do Googling. You're going to search on Google and you're going to search on YouTube. You can see lots of videos with a bunch of solutions. But guys, this one is the best and one and only solution which I recommended from Windows. Then guys, I'm going to show it. This problem is, I'm going to describe this. Guys, when this problem in your computer, if there's problem in your computer, you can't search or you can't use search bar, and also you can't search this search tool also. Sometimes the start menu also freezing. The start menu is not opening, loading. Guys, this is usually happening in every Microsoft, every Windows. So they give a solution for this one. This is the best one. If you can't right click on taskbar, you have to click 3 keys in keyboard: Control, Alt and Delete in same time. Then you can choose Task Manager. If you can right click on taskbar and choose Task Manager, that's really easy. Now I'm going to run a new task like this. Run new task. Before run this task, I'm going to click here, guys. Create this task with administrative privilege. And here, guys, type regedit. Then give OK. Now you can see here this list, HKey classes root. Right click on it, then go to permissions. In this list you can see I have all application packages. I know some of your list, this one is not, because it's not here. Then I'm going to show how to get it for you. Let me remove this for you. Right, now I'm going to show how to get it. Guys, carefully watch me, carefully follow me, guys. Click on add, then go to advanced. Here you can see find now button and then click on it. Now in here, all application packages, choose it, then give OK, again OK. Guys, choose all application packages in this list, give full control, then OK. Right, then I'm going to close registry editor, then task manager. Right, guys, some computers need to restart to work this, some of not, but I'm recommend please restart your computer and wait 1 or 2 minutes, then it's load completely. Then you can see your search bar is working fine and your start menu is working perfectly, and also your search tools are working perfectly. Guys, if you have any questions, please share it in the comment section. I like to give answers. If you like to share your experience, please give it also in the comment section. We like to read. Personally, I like to read. And guys, if you like this video, hit the like button below, share it with your friends, and so to subscribe. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Have a nice day, guys.